Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing her special secrets of quick cooking. It's actually a tomato paste that can be added to any recipe, any kind of recipe such as any rice dish. You can also use this tomato paste until 8 days and you can store it. And now let's see how is it made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are 6 tomatoes, 20 green chilies and 4 pieces of ginger. You will slice them all and peel their skins off. Not for the tomatoes and the chilies, but only the ginger you will peel the skins off. And now you will add them to the blender and you will also add a little bit of oil, 2 teaspoons. You can also add a bit of water if your mixture is not mixing well, and that's it. This was such a small video. I hope you guys liked the video. Please share your results down in the comment section below. Did this quick recipe trick work? Like, you can add just 2 teaspoons of this tomato paste to any recipes. I hope you will have a good day after watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.